Auntie Punsy, Auntie Punsy, Auntie, Auntie, quick Christmas is just around the corner, Auntie. Round the corner Christmas Day. Auntie, me can't believe say Christmas come already. The Christmas comes so fast, Auntie. Auntie, you know, say from you migrate, Auntie, I don't eat a good tasting cake. Auntie, for the past 20 years, Auntie, I don't eat a good tasting cake. Auntie, from you left here and go away, me no eat a good tasting cake. Auntie, whether you buy the cake, your neighbor give the cake, the place them make the cake and get to the workplace, for you get one out of it, Auntie. None of them not taste good. Auntie, the place them where I make the cake for sell to the workplace, them Auntie. Auntie, I don't know what them is pure breadcrumbs in the cake. The cake no have no flavor, no taste, nothing at all. Auntie, not to mention the old dear cake them out there, and you can imagine this area how them are go expensive, Auntie. Auntie is God, he knows how them are go expensive this year, and Auntie they not taste good. Some taste like bullock cake. Auntie, I tell you, some of them taste like bullock cake. Auntie, some of the people them who bake cake for sell, Auntie, them don't know nothing about baking a cake, Auntie. Auntie, remember, so when you're there Jamaica, you know, Auntie, and I bake cake. Auntie, you put the egg white different from the yolk, Auntie. You put the yolk in the cake, Auntie, and whip out the egg white until it's stiff, and at the last, Auntie, you mix it into the cake. Auntie, those cake were very nice, Auntie. And when you put them in the oven, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, when we are going to bed, Auntie, daylight in the morning, Auntie, you get up 5 o'clock and take out the cake them, and the cake them very nice. Because Auntie, you put water in the oven and bake the cake them very slow pan 200. Auntie, me I tell you, so in the morning, the cake them miley, not even wine you not have to bother put pan the cake them. Auntie, I saw me like cake, you know. I saw me like the cake them. Auntie, me can't take the old tough bullock cake them where them a make. Auntie, if you take a piece and fling, Auntie, it bust your head how it tough. Auntie, me don't know where them a put in the cake here, Auntie. And them a sell it for some big money. You can imagine all this here, Auntie, how the cake them a go tough and tight and expensive. Auntie, them fi do better than that. Auntie, them fi do better than that. And when you see them, you know, Auntie, them well wrap up in some nice things, make them look like them taste good. Auntie, they not ready yet, yeah, man. Some of the people, them not ready for bake no cake, Auntie. Auntie, me not tell no lie, man. Auntie, me not tell no lie. Auntie, even pudding taste better than some of the cake, them, Auntie. Auntie, I don't know what them a do to the cake, Auntie. Them not ready for baking yet, Auntie. Because Auntie, them want use 6 egg to make 6 dozen cake. Auntie, them now follow the recipe, Auntie. And that's why the cake they now come out good and put this whole heap of breadcrumbs in the cake. Auntie, I'm so upset, man. I'm upset, Auntie. Them now do the cake them good, Auntie. Too much things, Auntie. Auntie, remember, so when you there, you know, Auntie, and I bake cake, you know. Auntie, and from last year, when you bake last year cake, you put the other raisin and things, them finna soak, you know, for this year, you know, Auntie. One area soak your things, right, you know, Auntie. So you can imagine how nice and mild it is. Auntie, you have to go come back to Jamaica, come do a little baking. You hear, Auntie? Auntie, you have to go come back. And like all old Melissa come here now, Auntie, it a go worse. Worse, Auntie, 'cause everything gone sky high, you know, Auntie. Everything expensive now, you know, Auntie, from Melissa, you know. Auntie, me don't even know if me I go eat down cake this year. 'Cause to all them I go raise it up expensive, Auntie. Might as well me no bother eat no cake. Hmm? Auntie, everything there now, you know. Auntie, you know, for the social media. Auntie, everything there. Eh? Auntie, every market things gone up sky. I don't know how we are going to make it out this Christmas, Auntie. Auntie, we not going to have no vegetable, nothing. Nothing. Me not even know where we are going to eat this Christmas. 'Cause everything expensive, Auntie. But, Auntie, see if you can put one little extra money on the money when I plan to send for me for Christmas. You hear, Auntie? Because, Auntie, every year you send $100, you know, Auntie, and $100 now do nothing this year, you know. Auntie, where $100 could have done last year, you know, since Melissa, it can't do it, you know, Auntie. Auntie, you have to go put something else for it, man. Auntie, do better than that, man. Alright, Auntie, alright. Auntie, I better wait until we're done in our Christmas for sending little money, you know, Auntie. Try sending even second week, you know, of December. Because things are going to get very bad down in the last day, Auntie. And the electricity not come back good everywhere yet, Auntie. So, Auntie, try sending earlier here. Because we can't bother with the rush. And Auntie, on a normal scale, you know, the line them long, you know, and worse this year now, Auntie, the line now go longer. Auntie, you have to do better, man.